Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Goods, your go-to source for honest reviews on products that matter. If you're looking to upgrade your sleep without breaking the bank, today's review is for you. We're diving into the Wayfair Sleep 12-inch Medium Memory Foam Mattress, a budget-friendly option that promises comfort, support, and convenience. Is it really worth the hype? Let's find out. Let's start with what this mattress is all about. The Wayfair Sleep 12-inch Memory Foam Mattress is designed to provide a balanced medium feel, making it suitable for all types of sleepers, back, side, and stomach. It features a layered foam design that conforms to your body's curves, helping relieve pressure points and support spinal alignment. On top of that, it's engineered for low motion transfer, so you're less likely to be disturbed by a partner moving during the night. The ventilated construction promotes airflow, which helps regulate temperature for a cooler, more restful sleep. One of the standout features is its compatibility with adjustable bed bases, adding flexibility for different sleeping preferences. The tight top design gives the mattress a neat, uniform look and reinforces its low-motion benefits. Wayfair ships it compressed in a box, so setup is quick and hassle-free. Just unbox, roll out, and watch it expand. It typically takes between 48 to 72 hours to fully decompress, though in some cases it could take up to a week. We recommend placing it in a well-ventilated room to speed up the process. The mattress also includes a stain and fade-resistant cover, helping it stay fresh over time. Unboxing the Wayfair Sleep mattress is incredibly straightforward. It comes rolled up in a manageable-sized box. Once you remove the plastic wrap, it starts expanding immediately. One of the best parts? There's virtually no chemical odor, which is often a concern with memory foam products. Within a few hours, it's already usable. Though for best results, give it the full expansion period. The setup process is so simple that one person can do it alone in under 10 minutes. When it comes to comfort, this mattress delivers surprisingly well for its price range. The medium firmness is a sweet spot for a lot of sleepers. It's soft enough to cushion your shoulders and hips, but firm enough to support your lower back. Whether you sleep on your back, side, or even your stomach, the mattress contours nicely without sagging. The motion isolation is excellent too, making it a great option for couples or guest rooms. Let's talk about what real users are saying. One reviewer mentioned, "It only took a few hours to fluff up and we slept on it the same night, no issues at all. It's thick, firm, and super comfy. Plus, delivery was lightning fast." Another happy buyer said they initially bought the 10-inch version for a rental unit and were so impressed, they upgraded to the 12-inch for their guest bedroom. As a side sleeper, they compared it favorably to a much more expensive hybrid mattress. These testimonials suggest that the Wayfair Sleep 12-inch Memory Foam Mattress is punching well above its weight. So what are the pros? First, the price-to-performance ratio is hard to beat. You get excellent comfort, low motion transfer, and a breathable design. It's also compatible with adjustable bases and comes with a durable, stain-resistant cover. On the flip side, it does require a bit of patience for full expansion, and some users may prefer a firmer or softer feel depending on personal preference. But overall, the pros heavily outweigh the cons. To sum it up, the Wayfair Sleep 12-inch Medium Memory Foam Mattress is a fantastic choice for anyone seeking comfort, convenience, and value. Whether it's for your main bedroom, a guest room, or even a rental property, this mattress checks all the right boxes. Easy setup, quality materials, and real user satisfaction make it a strong contender in the budget mattress space. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Tech Goods for more in-depth product reviews, and drop your questions or experiences in the comments below. Sweet dreams, and we'll see you in the next one.